Hey folks, today's episode is incredible. We've got human brains and robots, advanced ChatGPT voice mode. Let's check out these news stories. ChatGPT, OpenAI releases advanced voice chat. New AI robot with human brain shocks the world. Have they crossed a line? And Meta's got a new AI that can modify objects and videos. I'll take a sip of my coffee and move to the first story. Meanwhile, comment below which news hit you hardest, okay? ChatGPT releases advanced voice chat mode. Awesome, guys. A more advanced way to chat by voice is coming to ChatGPT. This new feature will let you interact with audio generated by the new global GPT-4 model, or more intimately, Omni. It'll initially be available to select paid users chosen by OpenAI. To start, you know the drill. Comment below if you're pumped for this. Try the new advanced ChatGPT conversation mode. If you're not sure what I mean, there are several videos on this channel where I showcase the feature from their event a while back. If you can't find them, message me and I'll send you the link directly, okay? Don't forget to like and share this video link in WhatsApp and Telegram groups to keep your friends updated on this topic. Deal? Thanks. Let's continue. According to OpenAI, the tool currently has 4 voices created with professional actors. What do we know about ChatGPT's advanced conversation mode? The advanced conversation mode was first introduced to the public in May this year during an OpenAI developer event. At the time, the company highlighted how the feature can generate audio responses almost like a natural conversation between two people. The technology promises to adjust interaction tone based on user voice changes, like showing happiness or sadness. As mentioned earlier, 4 named voices, Juniper, Breezy, Cove, and Amber, will be available at launch. It's worth noting ChatGPT can't clone voices, especially given the recent incident with the US president's voice being cloned. I think OpenAI wants to avoid the controversy of people attempting scams, right? Let's put it this way. OpenAI stated that attempts to create unauthorized voices will be automatically blocked. Filters against using protected content have also been added. Beta testers will get a ChatGPT app notification and email instructions on activating and using the feature. OpenAI reported that since May, ChatGPT's advanced mode has been tested in 45 languages by over 100 external users. It's worth noting that the tool's demo sparked controversy by using a voice very similar to actress Scarlett Johansson's, which the company has since removed. We know her well from her Marvel role as Black Widow, but she actually became famous in the AI field for her role in the movie Her, where she voiced an AI assistant. She starred alongside Joaquin Phoenix, whose character falls in love with the AI's voice, which was Johansson's. So OpenAI essentially copied her voice anyway. When will ChatGPT's advanced chat mode launch? The advanced voice chat mode is rolling out gradually. Currently, only select ChatGPT Plus subscribers can access it. OpenAI aims to expand it to all subscribers by late 2024. If chosen to test, you'll get an in-app alert and email guide. OpenAI carefully developed this, adding scam blocking filters. Given this, I believe ChatGPT's new mode will transform AI interaction. The introduction of lifelike voices with pro actors and audio responses makes it feel more like a real chat. OpenAI's ethical stance on blocking unauthorized voice cloning shows their commitment to user safety and privacy. I'm excited to see how this tech will evolve and impact our lives. I bet people will fall in love with these AI voices. What do you think about these developments? Share your thoughts and expectations about this amazing innovation in the comments. If you found this interesting, like, share, and subscribe. While you do that, I'll sip my coffee and move on to the next story. The new AI robot with a human brain is shocking the world. Have they crossed a line this time? All right, folks, let's dive in. Let's discuss the recent rapid advancements in AI and robotics. It's moving fast, but what's happening in China is next level. They've created an AI robot that's ahead of anything we've seen. When I first heard about it, I was blown away. First, comment below. Can robots with biological brains become real? How would it affect us? Like and share this video on WhatsApp and Telegram to keep your friends informed. Deal? Thanks, let's continue. This isn't your typical silicon-brained robot. These scientists created a robot with a brain made of real living cells. We're talking about a robot with a partly biological brain, redefining AI's essence. Before you picture a cyborg monster, they're calling this a brain on a chip. It sounds futuristic, and it is. Instead of using computer circuits, they grew tiny brain cells and put them on a microchip. They transplanted human-like cognition into a machine, starting a new AI era. But it gets even more complex. Brains are intricate neuron networks, and they recreated this on a tiny chip. It all begins with stem cells, which can become almost any body cell. Scientists took these stem cells and told them to become brain cells, and somehow they pulled it off. They coaxed these cells to grow into an intricate network, mimicking what's found in a human brain. In a sci-fi-like move, they trapped this brain and turned it into a special microchip. Now you might be thinking, that's cool, but why should we care? For me, it's a game changer right off the bat. Most AI we deal with today is based on computer programs, but this robot can learn and adapt like a living creature. It experiments and changes based on what it learns, more like our brains than any previous AI. The implications are huge if you haven't caught on yet. This could revolutionize our understanding of the brain and AI. By studying lab-grown brain networks, we can find new ways to tackle neurological diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. It's not just incredible science, it's something that can change lives. But this technology also raises important ethical questions. At what point does a robot with a living brain become, so to speak, alive? It's no longer just a philosophical question, it's something we might face in the near future. We're far from a Terminator-style robot uprising, but we need to start having serious talks about this tech's implications. It's not just about making smarter machines, it's blurring lines between AI and biological intelligence. We're talking about a future where the boundaries between AI and biotech start to fade. It's exciting, a bit scary, and will change the world as we know it. But with great potential comes great responsibility. We're potentially redefining what it means to be alive and conscious, concepts we must face as a society. But that's the nature of progress. It pushes us out of our comfort zones, forces us to face new realities, and while scary, it's also incredibly exciting. Interestingly, Jeff Bezos and SoftBank invested a staggering $300 million in a startup called Qualified AI. This company isn't focused on labs, human cells, or brains in robots. Instead, they aim to build a completely artificial brain from scratch. They claim to be pioneers in what they call the robot brain, which involves creating an artificial general intelligence, or AGI, that can be installed in any robot, enabling it to perform complex and varied tasks without needing specific programming for each task. Skilled AI, led by Colonel Mellon's brilliant minds, envisions robots handling harsh conditions and performing deft tasks in various settings. AGI aims for human-like robot intelligence, marking a major breakthrough in robotics. Not quite human brains in robots, but still a significant advancement. Indian companies are also joining the robotics race. Zen Technologies and AI Turismo created Prahasta, a four-legged robot named after a tough Hindu warrior. This isn't just a robot dog, it carries an assault rifle, which is frankly alarming. Prahasta, built for defense, uses LiDAR technology to scan surroundings with lasers. Its AI helps understand terrain and plan missions effectively. Zen Technologies released a video showcasing Prahasta's abilities, and it's impressive. The robot climbs stairs, leaps obstacles and gaps like a mechanical gazelle. They claim it can carry a 180-pound adult like a firefighter, potentially saving lives in danger. If knocked down, the robot can stand up alone, a feature called automatic resurrection. Zen also unveiled Barbarian URCWs, the world's lightest remote-controlled weapon station for land or sea use. The Zen team is very excited about these innovations. Their leader, Shashank Luthra, sees these robots as game changers for defense, highlighting robotics in combat and recon. It's human nature, isn't it? We always find a way to turn new technology into weapons. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Zen isn't new to this field. They've been in defense for a while, making systems, anti-drones, and combat simulators. They've sent over 1,000 simulators and training systems worldwide. The future we see includes robots, not just in factories or delivering packages, but on the front lines too. With all this info, I think it's clear we're at a turning point in robotics and AI evolution. From biobrains on chips to defense robots, these innovations will transform our lives in unimaginable ways. I believe we're on the brink of a new era where the line between biology and tech is blurring. This raises some big questions. How much autonomy should we give to armed robots? What are the ethical implications of using AI in defense? Comment below with your thoughts, I want to know. If you find this interesting, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The Meta Group's new AI can modify video objects, which is impressive, folks. Meta keeps improving its AI models, and with Segment Anything Model 2, affectionately called SAM2, the company has caught up with some competitors, now able to select and move objects in videos and much more. To start, you know the drill. Comment below if you've heard of Meta's new AI model, the Segment Anything Model 2. If you haven't heard of it, tell us if you use any Meta AI. After this video, I'll chat with you in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this video link in WhatsApp and Telegram groups so your friends stay updated on this topic. Deal? Thanks a lot. Moving on. According to the company, which owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, SAM2 can segment and track any object in real time in each video frame. While other AIs struggle with videos, Meta's model solves these problems. It handles fast motion, changing appearances, and occlusions well where objects pass in front of the focus. This tech promises to revolutionize video editing, simplifying complex, time-consuming processes. We'll see this in the demo videos shortly. Among Meta's examples is a skateboarder video where only the person is cut out and the background is changed. Shall we take a look at this video? Let's check it out here. It's out of order, but we'll look and then discuss. Look, the video is playing here, and you see when it's colored, the person is actually selecting the skater, and once selected, you can input a prompt that will apply the effect. So, for example, he clicks there and adds the effect with white stripes and then color. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Here's another video. Let's go back to the top of the page. If you look here, you can see the guy playing soccer. He selected the ball and the dog. He also selected the cars, and here he selected the dough and the hand. For each of these selections, what can you do? You can remove the ball or the car, for example, and replace it with another one. You can change the color, delete the object, add new objects, or edit the object itself by making modifications. For instance, you can change the color or swap the outfit. But deleting the clothes, they'd be naked, right? Anyway, here's another cool demonstration. You select the cleat, then you can change it to a slipper, alter the cleat's color, or put on a sneaker. You can swap the soccer ball with another model or brand. For example, if you're making a commercial for, say, Pina or Adidas and Nike, and then you swap out the cleats, right? A player makes a video saying, "Hey, Nike, want me to put your cleats on this player?" Check this out. You don't sign with Nike, but with Adidas, so you switch to Adidas. You can make a generic video and edit it later. Interesting, huh? Here's a coffee maker with someone enjoying a hot cup of joe. Looks good. I love coffee. Imagine changing the cup or the kettle here. You could even change the hand, maybe use a different one, like a man's hand or a woman's hand, you know? Here's a guy playing ping pong. You can select him, change his clothes, you can change the ping pong net here. Basically, you can make various edits. It's really incredible. Currently, this tech is available in demo mode. You can visit this site, click and enter the demo mode. Check this out, it's amazing. It uses Llama 3.1 technology, which is open source. Got it? This is really interesting. If I click here to go back to this section, it'll load. Then I can make a video using it, okay? I won't do it now, but look how cool this is. It shows the steps step by step. I can select whatever I want here, choose whatever I want here. I can add objects, move the ball around, and even replace the ball with other objects. It's just fantastic. Now that you've seen how Meta is advancing with its AI, in my opinion, Segment Anything Model 2 or SAM2 promises to change how we interact with objects, enabling precise cropping and real-time manipulation of multiple items. This tech will not only simplify video editing, but also open doors to amazing applications in autonomous vehicles and visual computing systems. Plus, with the open source code on GitHub, the community can collaborate and further enhance this tool. What do you think about these innovations? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious how you see the future of video editing with this new AI. Let's discuss this. Remember, on screen now are suggestions for related videos you should definitely check out. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you enjoyed this quick news, and share, okay? Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.